So now I'm going to present to you my third movement, Nature and the Universe, of my third symphony, The Rise and Fall of AI Humanity. So this movement is about, the title gives a clue, the nature and the universe and, the essence of being. What this movement is thinking about is, the beauty around us, not the artificial beauty, but the natural beauty, the God-given beauty. So this movement, it's quite a swift movement. It's quite a jolly movement. I would say it's the happiest out of all of the movements, and it's less reflective, more like more like pouncing, exciting. So I'm going to play the beginning and then climax in the middle and then the end. Although in this movement, the end's actually the climax. The woodwinds are playing a calm melody high up, similar to bird sounds. The strings come up with some soft pizzicatos. The wolf comes, rah! But then the wolf's friendly again. All nature is in harmony. Everything's together. Maybe the lion and the tiger, all in peace. The marimba and the glockenspiel should be on the violin for each other. Okay, so that's the beginning section of this piece. That's the beginning section of this piece, and it's basically representing all the animals, everything in the world coming together in perfect euphony. Now I'm going to play you a different section. This is a section that I really enjoyed composing. I experimented with lots of different chords here, and since this is a movement about nature and the universe, I didn't use strange, augmented, diminished chords. I instead tried experimenting with normal chords, and those normal chords actually came together with a very lovely sound. So this part, I thought of it as kind of a waterfall. Like this part's like a waterfall coming, just waterfall going down, waterfall going down, or you could view this as maybe like the rolling mountains and the valleys. So I'll start from this section. The marimba's like the hills, or maybe the waterfall here. And then this next section is basically the beginning section, again, in a different key. It's reflecting on all nature coming together and, the harmony that it brings. Now I'm going to play you the final section. So this section is basically a section of rejoicing, and rejoicing about nature and the universe and, all of the gifts we currently have. So I'm going to start playing from here. Beware, this part's loud. Well, I hope you enjoyed listening to my third movement, and thank you very much for watching.